Hi everybody, and welcome to the Archaeology of North America. I'm going to be your instructor for this course, Dr. Michael Zimmerman. Many of you know me already, and I hope that those of you who have signed up for this wonderful course are excited to learn about cultures past and present in North America and their material culture and what they've left behind for us to learn about. So this video is going to be just sort of a brief overview of the course, some of the things that we're going to cover, and your expectations for final grading as well. So not a huge surprise, the Archaeology of North America is the study of the archaeology of North America. In this particular course, you'll want to first of all have your course textbook, which is Seeking Our Past, an Introduction to North American Archaeology by Sarah Noisius and G. Timothy Gross. I've had students call the book nauseous and gross before, but that's just a joke. It's actually a really, really great book. The course itself is divided up into 8 units. The first 3 units are pre-midterm. The other 5 units are going to be after the midterm. So it's a little bit different because it's not directly in the middle. Our first 3 units are going to cover like the history of archaeology and some of the ethnocentric and racist past of North American archaeology, such as the creation of the mound builder mythology and similar problems. Our second unit is going to talk about the environments of North America and the creation of the 10 North American culture areas that are the basis for our understanding of North American archaeology. Unit 3 is going to talk about the peopling of the Americas, the different theories on how people first came to North and South America from the rest of the world, and when. Our remaining units are going to cover the archaeology of each of these culture areas, starting with the Arctic, subarctic, and Northwest Coast culture areas, moving on to the California and the Plateau culture areas, the Great Basin in the Southwest, the plains, and then the eastern woodlands, which is divided up into the northeast woodlands and southeast woodlands. In addition to this, we're also going to be looking for each of these units at a distinct case study theme. And these themes are going to deal with important issues in North American archaeology. These include collaboration with and collaborative practices with indigenous communities, historic preservation in the National Register for Historic Preservation, looting and issues of archaeological law, and new techniques like ground-penetrating radar. So the course itself is going to consist of a midterm and a final. There are also going to be course discussion boards, both in video format and text format on Blackboard. And we're also going to end with a final paper. This final paper in this final paper, I'm going to ask you to do 2 things. I'm going to ask you to pick a culture area, and then you're going to write your paper either on a site from that culture area or a distinct case study theme as it relates to that culture area. So you could choose, for example, the site of Pueblo Grande in the American Southwest culture area, or the site of Wampanoag in the Northeast culture area. Alternatively, you could switch it around and do the culture area but focus on a theme, such as looting in the American Southwest, or collaboration and cooperation with local indigenous communities in the Northeast. So again, it's entirely up to you. I'm going to explore these different themes to work with you together, and we're going to work together to try to figure out how to put that together. So, welcome to the Archaeology of North America, and I look forward to a great semester with you. Thank you.